Welcome to day 4 of my Vietnam adventure. Today I'm not going far, only 10 kilometers down the road, and I'm staying at the beach tonight. But first, I have a little problem with the bike. It doesn't idle, it just cuts out. I know Honda winds are horrible and they always break down, but it's an adventure, that's why I chose it. And now the engine's apart. The new part he's got is 500,000 dong. Back on the road. Just pulled over to a Vietnamese restaurant. I've been a bit boring this lunchtime. I've gone for fried rice. Not amazing, 4 out of 10. Gonna pay and head to the hotel. I love the coconut trees. It is by the beach, but the beach is made of concrete. It's a bit too hot to be out in the sun. It's been really hot today. I've just been in my room watching videos, like lost track of time. But I'm gonna head into Mui Ne town. It's really windy in Mui Ne. Nothing. Okay. That was a bit crazy. My mistake, because the school closes, or their mum and dads are waiting for the kids to come out of school. Anyway, got myself a banh mi. If anyone watching this knows me, they know I don't like the skin fatty bit. It's just full of it. Oh no. After that dodgy baguette, not for me. I couldn't trust Vietnamese food tonight, so I've got some choco pies, beer, and some crisps. Let's go over the budget for day 4. I spent 224,000 on the hotel, 145,000 for food and drinks, 50,000 for fuel. That comes to a total of 419,000. Only at $18, so I'm $7 under budget. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm heading to Dalat. I'm really looking forward to Dalat because the road there is like this. Up in the mountains. It's gonna be awesome. See you there.